bad boy runs off of Trump haters' tears. Guess what? Gas tank is full.
Full, baby.
Woo! Whoop, whoop. What'd you name her?
I named her Destiny. Takes me everywhere I need to go. A week later, took home a stripper named Destiny. It was Destiny.
This thing holds like a jello mold in an earthquake.
Jello mold in an earthquake, huh?
Yeah, trust me, it's a good thing.
All right. Jello mold in an earthquake.
I like my cars like I like my women. Thick, fast, full of gasoline, and very unstable.
Oh yeah.
Damn, Mike, it happened again.
What?
This car is better looking today than it was yesterday.
Every day.
Is that a Hemi? Smell like gas to you?
Smells like America.
Amen, brother.
Somebody asked me miles per gallon on this bad boy. I laughed in their face.
Oh man, the gas is making me a little nauseous.
The gas? Grow up here, you little bitch.
Is there a Hemi in this thing? You hear that? I got more horsepower under my ass right now than the Kentucky Derby. Better call PETA. Some horse is about to get whipped.
That's the my wife kicked me out, I'm leaving and I'm never coming back pack job.
Literally everything in the kitchen sink.
Everything in the kitchen sink.
Are these seatbelts even attached to anything? Is that a Hemi?
Man, I feel like I'd drive this car better with this Forever Shark steering wheel.
Pretty right.
It's the best upgrade we've done thus far.
It's really sick.
15 horsepower add.
15 horsepower add?
Just with this steering wheel.
Is that a Hemi? Wow.
Little whiplash.
Yeah. Starting some fires and burning some tires.
Burning tires, baby!
Is there a Hemi in this thing?